How to fix taskbar is flickering in Windows. 1. Uninstall the most recent update. 2. Disable show flashing on taskbar apps option in taskbar behaviors. 3. Run reg delete hkcu /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /iris service /f and shut down RT0 command as admin. 4. Run the following commands to repair your system files. Dism /online /cleanup image /scan health dism /online /cleanup image /restore health 5. Find and remove problematic apps with Windows Clean Boot and /or save mode. 6. Update your Windows. Run sfc/scano command as admin. Scan for potential malware and virus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Update or roll back display drivers using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide. Create a new user account.